So check-in is about to get started in like 15-20 minutes, guys. So just waiting in the line for that. Okay, so guys, the immigration is done, and here Avinash, there's Nikhil and Roshan, Pranali. So we've reached the duty free and about to go in the lounge and chill for a while. It's going to be very interesting for sure. Looking forward to it. And then after that, probably in 2.5 hours, I guess, or 2 hours 45 minutes, that's when the check-in will take place. Cheers. Okay, so guys, right now it's 10:35 p.m. in the night, and I'm heading to the boarding gate right now to board my flight to paradise. Super excited for it. So guys, now I'm about to board the flight, and super duper excited. So my friends and have already gone ahead. I'm little stuck over here because of the vlog. Thailand, and I'm from the airport. It took me around 45 minutes to reach Cosmo Bazaar, Cosmo Market, you can say, whatever. And this is the view right here. Currently it's folks, so right now I'm here in Thailand. Behind me, as you can see, it's Cosmo Bazaar, which is right there. And let's go inside. So yeah, one thing, it opens at 9 a.m. and then it shuts at 9 p.m. Only pork. So guys, as you can see here, there's Dairy Queen. You get some lovely cakes. There's decoration cake, mini mall cake, and some chocolate dilli bar. And yeah, these are some snacks as well right here. Some kind of seems like nachos, I guess. I don't know, but something close by to it. And these are all the food stalls right here. And yes, over there is some amazing coffee also. And right there, as you can see, there's Max. So guys, this is another section which I'm walking into. Here there's some water bottles, as you can see. Then there is, yeah, there's some fresh vegetables here. Yeah, healthy, I would definitely say. I cannot really understand what it is, but yeah, you get some noodles, and then there is this. So guys, I'm here at the meat section, and here there is beef, then pork right here, and yes. So I slept for around a good 3-4 hours, and Pranali right here has stolen my brand new Ray-Ban shades, folks. Would you believe it? Anyways, that's okay. Now I'm headed to this market right here to explore around. Yeah, and one thing, folks, is here it is so peaceful that even if, for instance, now I'm crossing the road here in Thailand, like they will literally slow down the car or bike from a distance, and it's just so peaceful that the fact that they respect you and would like you to cross. I just wish it was like this in India, but unfortunately it's the other way around. If you know, you know. I totally forgot to end the vlog yesterday, guys. I was out and about, and then when I came home at night, I thought post shower I will end it. But anyways, right now it's around 10:25 in the morning here, and I will end this vlog right here. So do like, share, subscribe, comment. It would really mean a lot to me, folks.